This is my member. The first member is Aupakas Purahman. Second is Rizky Widi. The third is Muhammad Iqbal. The fourth is Yasir Amri. Okay. The first member wants to show his
To perform.
perform his posture. Yes, Aupakas Purahman. Time for it. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Why they're outside, saying in their place because their area needed for more Islamic for the school. And if you can enter the area, we should smoking in that area. And in that area,